Back to my YouTube channel. So today is Monday. Obviously me and Lisa's got today off from work. It is our mum's 14th anniversary, obviously the day she died, so we are gonna go and visit her, put some flowers down. I've got some fake flowers and some ornaments which you guys would have seen in the Sheen haul. And then we're going to pop to Tesco's, buy some real flowers for her. Sorry if I'm squinting, the sun's in my eyes. I've got no makeup on today because I wanted my skin to breathe. Because obviously getting married on Saturday, sorry. And I'm going to have loads of makeup on my face. There, you can see me now. So I'm currently heading towards my sister's. I've got her bridesmaids bits, or hen note bits shall I say, not bridesmaids bits, hen note bits that Poppy gave to me yesterday, so I've got to give to Lisa today. What else? Yeah, we're going to go to Tesco's, get some flowers. This is not going to be like an original vlog or anything, this is just a video dedicated to my mum. So I won't show you pictures of like a grave or anything like that because that's personal to me and Lisa, but I'm trying to hold it together because obviously it's a sore subject for me and Lisa today. But I will try and put up montage pictures of my mum, or our mum, dedicated to her. I do have, obviously you guys would have seen, pink flowers, so at least she's part of our wedding. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry it might be a short one, but this one is just dedicated to our mum. So many lovely flowers so far. Yeah. There might, oh, there's some around there. There's more. You like the yellows? Then they're all here. And then you've got little potted ones as well here, just in case if anyone wants any potted plants. On our way to go and see Mum. So after this clip, it will be just like little montages of Mum, just to say like obviously that we miss you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the pictures, and I'm going to basically end the video here, but obviously you guys will see pictures and that of our Mum. But yeah, it's our 14 years today since she's been gone. We miss her like crazy. We love you so much, Mum, and we will drink to you at the wedding day.